Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today, I'm gonna be making some lemon pepper wings. Now, ain't nothing better than some lemon pepper wet. Ever since I've had these wings, I have fell in love with them. And you know what? They are great for parties or even a meal. I could throw 12 of them on a plate and have a side salad. I'd be good from there. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it.
We're gonna start off by seasoning our wings with some lemon pepper. This is McCormick's lemon pepper, but you can use whatever lemon pepper seasoning you have. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder on your wings. These two combinations come out really great. I love the flavor on it. So you wanna go ahead and season both sides of your wings, and then we'll get on to the next step. Now you want to take your wings and drop them in some plain flour. There's nothing added to this flour. All we're doing is just giving these wings a good coating, and when we drop it in the oil, you're gonna have a nice crispy exterior. So go ahead and just put it in the flour and shake off any excess. Now that we got everything battered up, go ahead and leave it out in room temperature. Now it's time to get on that sauce. Over medium-low heat, you want to go ahead and start melting some butter. Now we're making lemon pepper wet wings today, so the sauce is very important. And I used 1 stick of butter. Now that everything's pretty much getting melted, go ahead and zest a whole lemon in there. And we're also going to be using the juice from that lemon. Go ahead and give everything a nice mix. Now go ahead and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can use more lemon pepper in here if you'd like. It just really depends on how you want the flavor, but we already got the lemon juice in there and the zest, so we're just gonna go ahead and season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now that you have the sauce already seasoned, just go ahead and give it a mix, and once everything starts to dissolve and it's clear, then that's when you want to just go ahead and turn it off. Now you want to take that sauce and go ahead and put it in a bowl and let it cool down. Go ahead and get you a frying pan and heat up that oil to 375 degrees. You want to go ahead and cook those wings for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. Once you see that beautiful golden brown color, then you'll know that that's when you need to flip it. And then once you flip it, you're going to go ahead and let that cook for another 4 minutes. Now keep in mind, I cook to temperature, and you want to make sure that your wings are 175 degrees internally. So always check your food at the end to make sure that it has the correct temperatures. Now once your wings hit 175 degrees internal temperature, go ahead and take them out and put them on a rack so that way you can let that oil drip from them. We're going to let that sit for a little bit because we're going to give them a dip in our sauce. So now you want to just go ahead and put some wings in a bowl. We're going to be doing 2 batches of this. Then you want to go ahead and drizzle some of that sauce that we made. Now keep in mind, we're going to be doing 2 batches, so go ahead and save some of that for the next batch. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of that lemon pepper in there, and then we're going to give it a toss. Now you want to go ahead and take your wings and put them right back on that rack and let that sauce just dry up a little bit on the wing. If you want more of that sauce on there, go ahead and do a double dip. Now the only thing you need to do right now is get you a big old plate, pile them up, and get you a little bowl of ranch, and then cut you up some celery and then some carrot sticks. Get your fat pants on because this is delicious. Now these are really great wings. They are perfect for parties, And you know what? You'll surprise your guests or you just have a great meal. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And while you're at it, check out these 3 other videos. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.